Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can slow zoom in CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut application. Click on import and you need to import a video. So I'm going to import this video and need to paste here in the timeline. So then you need to, once video is added, here you can see the playhead. You simply need to add from wherever you want to add slow motion. So from here I want to add, and once you select the location, go on to the video, and here you can see a little add keyframe option. Click here and here you can see that keyframe is added. Then you need to move wherever you want and then you need to scale it. So I want to scale it to, that is good. So here you can see that keyframe is added, and let me show you the final result. So here you can see. So this is the process how you can slow zoom in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.